Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with last topic of this chapter, that is transport of substance in plants. You all know that plants take water and mineral nutrients from the soil through the roots, right? Plants take water and mineral nutrients from the soil through the roots and transport it to the leaf. You also know that leaf prepare food for the plant using water and carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. But have you ever thought how water and mineral nutrients are transferred to the leaves, and how prepared food by the leaf carried to the parts which cannot make food? How? Right? How it happens actually? कैसे water and mineral root से other parts of the plant में पहुंच जाते हैं, and then how prepared food from the leaf transported to the other part of the plant. So let us see now. Transport of water and minerals. Plant absorb water and minerals by the roots. You all know that plant absorb water and mineral by the roots. The root have root hair. You can see here the roots have many root hair, and the function of this root hair like to increase the surface of the root. You can see here it increase the surface of the root for the absorption of more water and mineral nutrients dissolved in water, right? You can see here like this root hairs, it increases the surface of the root for the absorption of water and mineral nutrients dissolved in water. Now, plants have pipe-like vessels to transport water and nutrients from the soil. These vessels are made up of special cells forming the vascular tissues. Right, जो plants हैं, they have the pipe-like structures, and you can say pipe-like vessels to transport waters and nutrients, and they are made up of special cells known as vascular tissue. Now, what is this term tissue? Tissue is a group of cells that perform a specialized function in an organism. Now, in plant there are two types of vascular tissue. One is xylem and one is phloem. Okay? Now, both have different function to perform. Now, the function of xylem is to transport water and mineral nutrients in the plant. What happened actually? The xylem forms a continuous network of channels that connect root to the leaves through the stem and branches, and thus transport water to the entire plant. So the xylem has a network of channels, okay, that connect from root to the root to the leaves with the stem, and then branches through the stem and the branches to transport water and to the entire plant. Now, the role of phloem is to transport the prepared food to all part of the plant. You know that food has to be transported now to all part of the plant. So this is done by the vascular tissue called the phloem. So this is the main function of xylem and phloem. The xylem help to transport water and mineral to the plant, right, with the help of continuous network of channels that connect from root to the leaves. And phloem, what is the role of phloem here? To transport the prepared food from leaf to the other part of the plant, right? Now, transpiration. Plant absorb mineral nutrients and water from the soil, right? But not all the water absorbed is utilized by the plant. ठीक है? It doesn't mean कि जितना water and जितना minerals water जितना absorb हो रहा है by the root, it will utilize by the plant, but it is not such. All the water absorbed by the soil or by the root is not utilized by the plant. So what happened? The water evaporates through the stomata present on the surface of the leaf by the process known as transpiration. Okay, so this water will evaporate by the process known as transpiration, and transpiration also cools the plant. Okay, so I hope transportation of water and mineral in plant is clear now. Okay, so with this we have complete this chapters. Thank you for listening.